Hello, sir. Good evening. I'm Rupal from Industrial Outlook magazine, and we are here for REI 2023. Let's start with a brief introduction about yourself.
About myself, okay, I am Rahul Bhutiani. I am the CMO for Adani Solar, and thank you for having us on your show, Rupal. It's good to interact with you.
Okay, so sir, could you please tell us about your recent developments?
Yeah, so in the REI, we are showcasing the entire supply chain for a solar module and how we have integrated some part of the solar chain so that solar value chain, so that we can indigenize all of the activities and become Atmanirbhar. So we have, as you can see behind you, there is MG silicon. We have showcased that. Then there is polysilicon from which we make the ingot, and from ingots we make the wafers, cells, and then the modules. Everything is displayed here and in our booth. This is just showcasing the fact that we are building out a 10 gigawatt ecosystem of solar manufacturing, right, starting from MG Silica, where we mine the earth to get the basic raw material, and then taking it right up to polysilicon, right up to modules. So that entire value chain we have presented here, and that is our commitment that we will go ahead and do this for a 10 gigawatt capacity.
Sir, is there any new product launch from your side, and what are the key features of that?
Yes, so we have been selling monoperk modules, the P-type monoperk modules till recently. Now we are introducing the N-type TopCon modules. The one that is displayed here is a 570 watt peak module. This is a higher efficiency, lower temperature coefficient module, so it's better for energy generation and is the latest technology. We will be launching this and starting shipping this product in the month of November.
Okay, what are your future outlook for solar industry?
I think it's a bright future. There is a lot of capacity that is needed to meet India's ambitious targets for renewable energy. Our Prime Minister has set a target for 500 gigawatts of renewable energy, and 300 out of that is going to be has to be from solar. So, and we are about 100 gigawatts odd right now. So there is a good, less than 100 gigawatts right now. So there is a good potential for us to create a lot more capacity, and that will really help us in, the industry to grow faster.
So how Adani Solar is adapting new technological advancements?
What we're watching the world at large and seeing what is the new development everywhere. We are also doing our own internal research and development, and basis that we keep introducing products that are relevant for the market and for our customers. And recent example, of course, is the TopCon module that we have launched. We will, of course, continue our journey of backward integrating so that we make India Atmanirbhar on the solar panel business.
What are the new opportunities and challenges do you see for solar market?
I think opportunities, like I said, it's huge. Overall, as India, we have to achieve a very large rollout of solar projects. So there is a huge opportunity, no doubt. The challenges could be on the short-term basis, on the pricing front, especially since there is a lot of product coming in from China and from Southeast Asian countries. But I guess the government is aware about this, and we should see some policy moves from the government soon.
What are the expansion plans from Adani Solar?
I mentioned we are going to go from 4 gigawatts to 10 gigawatts in the next 3 years.
So, while winding up this interaction, I would like to, if you would like to convey any message to your customers.
I think if you are visiting the REI show here in Greater Noida, do visit our booth. We have a very special section which can help you understand the entire supply chain of the solar business, and right from the basic raw material right up to how a module is made. It's good for understanding the whole business. And of course, in terms of your needs and requirements, we have a well spread out distribution channel across the country. Please reach out to them, and you will be able to get the Adani solar panels on your doorstep.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.